Welcome back to my channel. It's Whit here again with another video. So today I'm going to be doing a swimsuit haul with a brand called Cupshe. They actually reached out to me and sent me a couple of their swimsuits. So thank you so much, Cupshe, for sending me these swimsuits. Send them my way, you know. So yes, they sent me some of their swimsuits over and I'm going to be trying them on for you guys. But listen, you know, we got all this stuff going on in the world right now, but I am just seeing this as a time to prepare and plan because I am going to be cute this summer, okay? I will not be cooped up in this house. Rona will not keep me in this house. I'm just, you know, getting myself ready, getting myself ready, getting my wardrobe ready, okay? Because I'm gonna be cute. And I also want you guys to be prepared as well so we can be cute together. We can slay together. Anyways, so Cupshe, actually when I got the email, I was super excited to receive this email because I had seen a couple of videos here on YouTube by other people and I was like, okay, I would actually be interested in like trying them out. And then they sent me an email like, you want to try some more stuff on? Yes, I do. They sent me 5 swimsuits. I'll try them for you guys. They have really cute packaging. Like, this is cute. Like, I actually do plan on keeping these bags, and when I do go like on vacation or anything, I would just simply store them in here. That way, you know, when you wear your swimsuit, take your pictures, you know, dip your feet into the water a little bit, splish splash. I just put it back in here. That way I don't contaminate my other like clean clothes with like pool water or whatever. Actually, I keep a lot of stuff in like Ziploc bags when I travel, so that way I can like keep the clean stuff separate from like the stuff that's already been worn. Cupshe is pretty affordable. I like that, okay? Like, who doesn't like to ball on a budget, you know? I do, I sure do. So they were kind enough to give me a coupon code for you guys, so you guys can save 10% off your purchase of $70 or more. I will have like my discount code linked down for you guys. I'll have all the swimsuits linked down for you guys in the order it's shown in the video with all my sizes and everything. So let's go ahead and get started. I need to lotion my leg, make sure I ain't ashy up her. All right, so this is the first swimsuit right here. And I like the color. I really do like the way red looks on me. So this right here is a 2-piece, and it does come with this like separate, so you can tie like a little, you know, I don't know, you could tie up something. It looks a little different. And then also you could take this off right here. Oh, it's not detachable, but you can just tuck it in here and you can wear it like this. I mean, obviously make it look a little bit more discreet, or you can pull it out, tie it up, and give it like a different look. These are high-waisted bottoms. The back, for the most part, is pretty secure. You do get a little bit of cheek showing. I can't really show you guys just because I don't want to get demonetized. So, you know, YouTube, they don't play games, baby. Quick to demonetize somebody, okay? Yeah, I like this swimsuit. It's really cute. I was really worried about the top not fitting because I find that whenever I have to do like 2-piece sets, like the bottoms usually fit well, but sometimes the top can be just a little too small, or it can be perfect. And this one right here, I'm not having, I just don't like when I have spillage here. In the front, I can kind of get past that, but like when it's like too much here, I just don't really like that. So I don't really have that issue with this. There's not really any spillage. The front looks good. I like the swimsuit. Obviously, you know, work on my stomach a little bit more where it can be from this to can't breathe. This is kind of like what the side looks like. Really pretty. I love this swimsuit. All right, so this is the next swimsuit, and I feel like you can never go wrong with a 1-piece. They're safe. I like them. The only thing that I need to fix with this swimsuit is how to tighten the strap so that way it can kind of give me a little bit more support. And I think that's just simply by tightening up the back right here. So you can see the straps or whatever. I feel like if I was to tighten this up, it should like help with that. If not, I have to go old school. Y'all remember when like our moms would like literally take our swimsuits and then like tie it up here, make a little thing? I'll just end up having to do that. But I do like the swimsuit with like a cute little white cover up. This would be so cute. I love this. Like, this is actually a really cute swimsuit. Like, I feel like something like this, you can really like dress it up. This is cute. Hey, look at me. Look at me. I really like the swimsuit. This is really cute. All right, so this is the next swimsuit. It's this really pretty yellow checkered 2-piece. It is high-waisted. You guys, the top, like so far, Cupshe has not disappointed me. Cupshe has not disappointed me when it comes to the tops, because that is one thing that like I cannot stand about ordering swimsuits online, that you cannot buy the top and bottom separate, is that usually when it comes to swimsuits, I am needing a bigger size compared to like when it's just like a regular co-ord set. So I love that so far I'm not having any issues. I actually feel secure in this swimsuit. Like I really do. Like I don't have any spillage here. Like I hate when it's like spilling here, just like, oh my gosh, like I really like this. This right here is comfortable for me. It has this really cute ruching right here, super cute. I love the high-waisted. I love high-waisted, okay? High-waisted pants, swimsuits, whatever. They're more forgiving than like mid-rise. So if your stomach is not all the way together, it's a little bit more forgiving. Gives just a little bit more like control of this area. And also, you guys, these are adjustable straps, so that's why I even love this more too. I have the option of giving myself more support, and I did go ahead and adjust the straps and make them a little bit tighter. Love this so much more. I really like the swimsuit. Alrighty guys, so this is the next swimsuit. This is actually the very first swimsuit that I've ever gotten that is not a matching top and bottom. Well, not match top and bottom, but that they look identical. This goes with this obviously, but this and this are two different, whatever. This is the first two-piece set that I got that they were not the same exact pattern. That's what I'm trying to get at. Yet again, I like the top because it does have the adjustable straps, so I'm able to lift it up, give myself a little bit more support. These are not high-waisted, so you can pull them up, you can hike them up to kind of give yourself like that, you know, high-waisted kind of look, but I don't really like the way it's looking on me like right there. This is the only swimsuit that I got that is not in a size large. This is an extra large. And I feel like I've kind of gotten better when it comes to like picking swimsuits online. So look at the way the top looks. Like if the top looks like it's not much material, I just know to size up. And I'm glad I did, because if I would have got this in a large, like first of all, my butt would have ate the entire back of the swimsuit. The back is just slightly cheeky. If you're kind of like shaped like me, or if you're interested in the swimsuit, I would recommend sizing up, especially if you're someone who's kind of like in between sizes, or sometimes not all larges fit the same on you, or not all smalls fit the same on you. I'll probably go a size up, especially if you're a little bit more bustier up here. I'm gonna show you guys the back of the top of the swimsuit. So this is the back. I love the way it's like cut out like this. It's just different, really cute, really fun. We are down to the last swimsuit. All right, you guys, so this is the last swimsuit, and can I say I think this is probably my favorite. I freaking love this swimsuit. So it is a one piece, and it's cute. I can stare in the mirror because it's so cute. So it has this really pretty cutout right here. So it does kind of give some cleavage. It is a little bit of a deep plunge, but it's not too deep towards just like, you can see like my belly button, you can see everything. It is like a nice little, a moderate deep plunge, if you say. I love the color block. I love the yellow, I love the white, and I love the navy. I think these colors look so pretty together. These color schemes give me summer in the Hamptons. That's kind of vibe it's giving me. I look good. So this is the back, like the whole like back is like cut out. It hooks up here in the at the top. Cupshe. Okay, I'm gonna have to go on the website and look for some other stuff because this is cute. Oh, by the way, I don't know if I said it, but all the swimsuits come with padding in it. Yeah, if you're someone who you need like padding in your swimsuits, they all have it. I believe you can take them out. Most swimsuits usually let you take it out. I don't know how to take it out on this one. Okay, you guys, so that is the end of this try on haul. Yet again, thank you Cupshe for sending me these swimsuits. I love them, they were gorgeous. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do want to shop any of these items, I will have all of them listed down below. Also, I do have a discount code for you guys. You can save 10% off your purchase of $70 or more. So feel free to use that coupon code if you do want to shop Cupshe. Also, if you're not yet subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, okay? If you're watching my videos constantly, subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And thank you guys so much for the people who support me. You guys are so sweet. Also, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below letting me know, I don't know, just leave a comment down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, I'll talk to you beauties later. Bye. And just like that, it's a wrap.